What's up, everybody? It's your boy Slick Pitts. Welcome back to another Saturday morning unboxing, and today we've got a big dog, and I mean big dog. Honestly, this is so far the most expensive watch that I have done an unboxing for and that I have done a review for, and I'm really excited. And well, if you look behind me, that's Echo. She looks really excited too, because Daddy gets to play with a watch. Now, to preface this real quick, this watch has been on tour. I am a part of a wonderful, amazing group of reviewers. There's a review collective that this thing has been on tour. And real quick, I want to mention these guys real quick because I want you to go to their pages as well and check out all of their content. We've got Aron Dunlap from OFD Watch Reviews, Chris Marshall from Marshall Time, Watching with Wade, Ty Brown, Dane Basch from Saleen Driver. We've got Joey at Big Wrist Syndicate and Tony Caruso from Watching the Time. And I'm going to put a link in the description below so you can go to all of their pages, give them a subscription, and follow some fantastic and amazing reviewers. I am the last on the list for this watch, specifically because I need to get it underwater. And so this beauty is going to go to the deep with me, and we're going to have some fun. So let's open this package up. I am so crazy excited. This is the, you wonder what it is? It is the Ocean Crawler Core Diver Patriot. Limited edition, 250 pieces of this thing. And so in order for me to contain myself, it's kind of hard. I'm really damn excited right now. Being a dive guy and just a big fan of some superior pieces like this. This thing's going to be a savage. Big box, big watch, and yeah, we got some other stuff that it comes in. Oh, they send a hat with it. Cool. Ocean Crawler hat. That's neat. We'll keep that in the box. And bam, this monster, the Ocean Crawler. I know you're excited to get your hands on it, see it. This thing, the box is heavy. It feels like I'm got a bowling ball here. I'm going to switch positions for you so you guys can see what's in the box. What's in the box? And we're going to do it, and this thing's going to be absolutely amazing. Alrighty, so we have the Ocean Crawler Core Diver, the Patriot. This is a limited edition piece, only 250 made, and I am the final stop on the Reviewers Collective Tour before this thing gets wet. And so we're going to see a couple little cool things in the box. You're going to have your little booklet that's going to show some other pieces and tell you all about that Core Diver watch. It's the story. Very cool. Packaging, and of course they go the nines over here when it comes to a cool looking box. Ocean Crawler across the top. This thing is just absolutely classy. Loving the packaging. Let's see here. Pop that open. And all right, guys. So we have a couple different things going on in the case. It does come with different straps, red, blue strap, and a Milanese style. Let me get this bad boy out. All right. So yeah, you've got it's all American type stuff, guys. So you've got the red, you got the blue. I'm going to move that out of the way and check out this watch. Now, let's look at a couple of specs on this thing. This monster, this absolute beast of a dive watch. This thing is diver intended, diver built, guys. I'm so blown away and stoked by being able to see this absolutely gorgeous watch. You're looking at a 44 millimeter stainless steel case, 15.5 millimeters thick. This is a chonky boy. 50 millimeters from lug to lug, and of course you got 22 millimeter lug width. Sapphire crystal with a sapphire bezel. 120 click unidirectional bezel. Ooh, feel that. It's like love making music right there. That is solid. No movement backwards. That's great. And of course, you've got the Swiss C3 Superluminova automatic helium escape valve at the 9 o'clock with 600 meters of water resistance. This is just the sign of an absolute savage of a diver. This comes in handy when these guys are going down doing saturation dives. And of course, you could have helium build up inside of your case. So that automatic right there. Fantastic. Let's take this off right quick because I want to see the case back, and so do you. It's got a really cool design on the case back. I'll see if the light can kind of catch that. And you guys see that screw down case back. Inside this beautiful watch is the Swiss-made Sellita SW200-1 automatic movement running at 28,800 vibrations per hour with 40-hour power reserve. So, yeah. But the indices, these things are freaking cool. I am just so absolutely blown away by how hefty this thing is. This is a watch that has presence. This is a watch that is going to go down under the water with me, and we're going to see how it looks in some low light situations and some maybe some cave areas or whatever. We'll see what we get into. I'm going to dive it, and I will definitely be coming back to you with a full review of this amazing ocean crawler core diver, the Patriot. Off the bat, guys, I'm telling you, it's nice. I can the grip. I mean, I'm barely even being able to grab that, and it's moving nice and smooth and easy. So when I've got gloves on, it's definitely going to move nice and easy for that bezel. And I look forward to taking this under the water, get you some loom shots, get you some diving action with it, and I'll be back at you guys here as soon as I can with a full review of this watch. I'm your boy Slick Pits. Thanks for tuning in to Dive Time Watch Reviews.